You know, it's like I said before, we should be supporting American-made companies that's made right here in America. And what better yet to support the Hidden Woodsman, made here right in the USA. They got this frog skin camel pack. They got other, options. They got backpacks. They got packs. They got a bushcraft chair you can get. But I figured I'd show you what I put in my little pack right here, my frog skin pack made by the Hidden Woodsman. I got it's all fire starter stuff. So, I got my Blackbeard fire starter stick. I got a Firebox fuel puck. Fire plugs. A Blackbeard flint rod. And that's about all you need in this fire thing. You don't have to use this for a fire starter kit. You can use this as a toiletry kit. You can use this as a snack kit or whatever. So if you guys want one of these, you should definitely check out the hiddenwoodsman.com backpack or whatever for your dad, grandpa, grandma, Bigfoot, skinwalker, or whatever. You should check out the Hidden Woodsman. And yeah, made right here in the USA. You can't get any better than that, to be honest. Handmade, a lot better than all those cheap things you buy from, wherever else you buy stuff from. So check them out.